Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I am going to work on the transfer You Are Enough. Right now we do have a kit, it's all exclusive that you can get on my website. And it has your hexagon chalkboard, it has the transfer, it has paste, and the squeegee, everything you need to make this. But today I'm just going to work with the transfer on stuff that I have. And here is our 5x7 board, and I'm just going to turn it over and do the other side. You can put this on so many different surfaces. So on with this one. Okay, so now I'm turning the board over and I'm going to put You Are Enough. And I'm going to use, I think it's Morning Sky chalk paste. Just put it on, squeegee it on, scrape off the excess, and pull the transfer off. Of course, you do have to clean it. And here, you don't have to worry about mistakes. You just wipe them off. Now, I just wanted to add a little heart to it. And I had the backing on there to protect the other coating I put on there. And there you go. It's done just like that. That's for a boy or a man. And now if you want to put the female version, we have some flowers, which is also in that transfer You Are Enough. There you go. All done. So you choose. And wouldn't that be great on a desk? Just to tell you, you are enough.